I'm gradually walking the car up to speed, and I'm at about 70. So this old motor does pretty good. It's shaking a little bit. So I'm in the first lane. Car's moving a lot better. I'm gonna go ahead and get over one lane because on your road test, you gotta be able to change lanes. And another trap is people are lazy. They don't look over their shoulder, they don't check their blind spot, and they don't even use their blinker. So those are 3 traps that would definitely cause you to crash. And the morning drive should be fun. It should be exciting, but we got these 3 trucks coming, and that black truck is carrying something out the back, and I don't want it to come out on me. So let's see if they use a blinker. No blinker, that's another trap. Just take the pride and use your blinker. It's the small things that will elevate you to be that good driver. You notice I'm in the middle lane. I'm not gonna go to the left. That's the passing lane, and I wanna stay smooth. I'm gonna make a lane change to the right. And you see me looking over my right shoulder. And then once I'm in the lane, I kind of settle down. So I'm trying to look straight ahead. You see me looking straight ahead, and I'm gonna barely turn the wheel so I can stay centered and stay square.